Believe it or not, I just purchased 15 shop tools and accessories for under 120 bucks, and I didn't get any of these items from Temu. And you might be wondering how I found all these items for such an affordable price from a company that you're probably very familiar with. And even though it's not that easy to find, I'm going to walk you through how to find all these great deals. So join me today as we take a look at all the shop tools and accessories that are available on Amazon Haul. So about 3 months ago, I stumbled upon this little tab that was on the banner of Amazon's website. And about a month ago, this banner disappeared, so I was pretty disappointed. But even though it disappeared, it's not gone. You just have to change the search criteria when you go to search for tools. And if you're not aware of what Amazon Haul is, you need to get familiar with it, as it's Amazon's answer to that Carnival website, which is Temu. This section of Amazon has an inventory that's constantly rotating and changing on a daily basis. And as I said earlier, I just purchased 15 items from this site, and I've broken down all of these 15 items into 5 different categories. And these 5 categories include tools, consumables, sanding and shaping, measuring and marking, as well as accessories. And since we have so many pretty simple and affordable tools today, we're going to be moving pretty fast. So let's not waste any more time and dive into our most expensive category of the day, which is tools. You know, a lot of critics of Botox say it's way too expensive, but I just talked to well over 50 people who just paid for the treatment and none of them look surprised or upset. So our first item is the most expensive item I purchased out of all of these 15 tools, but it's still pretty affordable, coming in at less than 20 bucks. Now I picked up this item because it's meant to be used with 2 items I already have in my shop, and that's my track saw track as well as my router. Now as I get this thing out of the package, it's obvious that this thing is 3D printed, so I'll have to keep a lookout on Makerspace to see if they have a file for this. And you'll see that this item comes with 2 pieces, both a plate that's meant to be attached to your router and a secondary stop. Now, since I have a DeWalt palm router, I obviously purchased the DeWalt version of this, but there's also other versions of this, and it's easily attached with the countersunk holes on the very bottom of the plate. And with that plate now attached to the bottom of the router, you can see how it slides right onto the track from your track saw. And with the router now installed on that track, you can see how easily it glides up and down that track with very little deflection left and right. But that's not the only piece that comes with this less than $20 kit, as there's actually a stop included as well. As you can see, this stop has got a little knob on the top and a bar on the bottom that you simply slide into your track and secure it into place with that knob on the top. And with that knob secured into place, you've instantly created a stop anywhere along the length of your track for your router. And this tool not only allows you to create those extremely accurate and straight dados, but also those much harder to do stop dados. So an excellent companion to anyone with a router and a track that likes to create dados. Next up, we have an item that costs less than 13 bucks and simply comes in a white box. If we get this thing out of the box, you can see that this thing is a chamfer plane. Now, chamfer planes can be great to soften the edges on things like cutting boards, but the thing that caught my eye about this one was the handle that was included with the plane. By attaching the handle to the plane with the included hardware, you can really give yourself a good grip with this plane. There's 3 real features that I want to talk about with this plane. The first feature is the level on the very back of the plane. This bubble level works like any other level and can ensure that your material is completely flat once you go to plane it. The second feature is in the middle of the plane, and you'll see that there's 2 metal knobs here. The larger of the 2 knobs is to move the blade on the plane up or down until you get the exact depth that you want, and then you can use that smaller knob to lock that blade into place. The third and final feature is on the very top of the plane, and that's this little notch that's meant to be used in combination with the handle. This little notch is for your thumb to support the plane as you go to make your chamfer, just making everything that much more stable. And the results speak for themselves. As you can see, I can chamfer this entire edge with very little effort at all. So potentially a pretty cool little pickup from Amazon Haul for your shop for just a few bucks. Next up, we have a much more simple tool that I've actually wanted for quite some time. If we get this thing out of its packaging, you'll see that this item is just a simple roller. Now, I got this item for 2 reasons. The first reason is for larger glue ups where I need to spread a heck of a lot of glue. The second use for this roller in my shop is when I'm applying veneer, as this will apply a wide range of pressure on a larger area. And since the roller is over 3.5 inches, you can apply a lot of pressure really fast. And it even has a little lip on the very front of the roller with 2 notches for your thumb so that you can apply that much more pressure, making this a great pickup in my opinion for any shop in our expensive tool category for less than 8 bucks. Well, we're just getting warmed up. Let's move on to our next 3 items in our next category, which is consumables and hardware. Did you hear the hardware store downtown got robbed by 3 men? Yeah, all they took was 10 feet of rope. Police are looking into it, but they're guessing they probably skipped out of town. So no longer will I ever buy my double-sided tape from anywhere but Amazon Haul. My preferred double-sided tape are these 1-inch wide rolls that come in 60 feet made by X-Fasten. Now that I know you can get this virtually exact same roll of tape on Amazon Haul for about 2/3 the price, I'll be purchasing it from there. And with both of these rolls out of their packaging, I see no difference whatsoever. They both have that yellow backing and they both seem to be equally as strong. And any consumable like this that saves you a couple of bucks is just a great pickup to look for on Amazon Haul. Another consumable I picked up is something that I use every single time I finish a project. Whether it's stain, epoxy, or even paint, you always want to have something you can mix that material with before you apply it. And there's nothing I use more often for this process than jumbo craft sticks. In my opinion, these are the perfect size to stir up some of those smaller items that are stored in those quart containers. And since this item comes with 140 sticks for just a little over $5, you're not going to run out of these for quite some time. And sure, you can purchase these from the hardware store, but you're going to get about half the sticks for double the price, and that's why I think they're a great pickup from Amazon Haul. The final item I picked up in this category is some hardware that might be perfect for some of your smaller projects. Now this is something that you're definitely not going to find at one of the larger big box stores, and if we open up the case, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. This is a set of 50 bronze hinges along with all the hardware you need to install those hinges that might be perfect for any keepsake box. And I'll have to admit, these hinges are a little bit thinner than what I was expecting, although it just means less work when I go to install them. But for less than $6.50 for 50 hinges and all the hardware, it's just a great item to have in your inventory when you're ready to build that box. Let's move on to our next category of this Amazon haul, which is sanding and shaping, so that you can get the perfect shape you want on your projects. That reminds me of that scene they cut from Star Wars. Yeah, Han Solo ordered a steak in the shape of a Wookiee. He returned it to the kitchen though because he said it was a little chewy. So the first item I picked up is something that I already have and I use all the time, and that is a micro sander. And if you don't have one of these, this is a must-have for getting into those tiny spots in all of your projects. Let's open up this box and see what this kit comes with. First off, you're going to get the micro sander itself, which is made out of the same material that you see with a lot of those yellow sanding mice. And not only does this detail sander have a very comfortable feel with its handle, but it also has a dimple on either side for your thumb and your index finger. And if we flip this sanding block upside down, you'll see that it works with a hook and loop system so that you can easily attach and remove any sandpaper. Speaking of sandpaper, let's take a look at the incredible amount of sandpaper that comes with this item. This sander comes with 54 sheets of sandpaper, ranging in grits from 80 all the way up to 800 grit. And it even has everything in between, making sure that you have the exact grit you need for your project. And since you get all of this for less than $5, this might be one of my favorite pickups from Amazon Haul. Next up, we have another detail sander that's even smaller than the last item we just took a look at. If we open up this case, you'll find what are called sanding sticks, which is something that I've wanted for my shop for quite some time. Now this is a 60-piece set, however you actually have 120 sanding surfaces. As you can see from each stick, it has 2 sides. In my case, I went with the 120 and 280 grit combo, with the gray side being 120 and the black side being 280, but you can get any combination you want. Now each one of these sticks are a little over 5 inches long, and you can see that each end of this stick is wrapped in sandpaper. Or I should say dipped, as it actually looks like each end is dipped into a grit. Now if we look at either end of the sanding stick, you'll see that they have a chamfered profile, which allows you to get into really tight spots and sand it smooth, which can be essential for getting into corners and cracks to make sure that all your material is blended. And for just over $6 for 60 of these, I think this is a great pickup from Amazon Haul for your sanding and shaping. The next item I picked up is all about shaping, and it could be perfect for things like your cutting boards or even your tabletops. If we open up this package, you can see that this is a simple router bit, but it's a router bit that has a profile unlike any other I have. Now unfortunately, this router bit doesn't have a 1/2 inch shank. It only has a 1/4 inch shank, but it's the profile that I'm really interested in with this bit. This is obviously a chamfer bit, but unlike the common 45-degree chamfer, this is actually at 15 degrees. It's this 15 degrees that's going to give you a much shallower cut and allow you to maintain the visual thickness of the material you're cutting into. And just like any other chamfer bit, it's got the bearing on the top to ride up against your material while you make your cut. And as I cut through this butcher block, you can see the beautiful profile profile this bit's going to give you as you cut through your material. Not only giving you a chunkier look, but also a more modern look. And for just a few bucks from Amazon haul, this is just a great router bit to add to your inventory. Well, that'll take us through our third category of Amazon haul items I picked up, but let's move on to our next. Before we do that, however, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video. It truly does help out this woodworking channel grow. And if you haven't already, check out my website, Flynndogwoodwork.com, where you can get access to all sorts of fun woodworking accessories like all the t-shirts that I wear in my videos, and I've just released some new models of shirts. And if any of the items we take a look at today interest you, I'll be sure to leave links in the description below so that you can go check them out for yourself. However, Amazon haul's inventory changes on a daily basis. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel even further, check out my channel memberships where you can get early access to all my videos as well as one member video a week. Now let's move on to that next Amazon haul category. The next category I dove into was measuring and marking. Let's start to talk about those. You know what measures 4 inches in length, 2 inches in diameter, and drives my baby's mama crazy? Yeah, it's an empty toilet paper roll. So if you make any jigs in your shop, you're probably going to like this next item as it brings a little bit of precision to your jigs. So if we take this thing out of the packaging, you can see that this is just a simple roll of tape. Or I should say 2 rolls of tape, as it actually comes with a right-hand side tape measure as well as a left-hand side tape measure. As you can see, not only do these tapes have imperial on the top, but they also have metric on the very bottom, and they're both about 6.5 feet long. Now there's a couple of nice things about these tapes. First off, they're made out of metal, so they're going to stand up to a little bit of abuse in your shop. But secondly, and probably even more importantly, they have a self-adhesive strip on the very back of them so that you can directly attach these right to your jigs, giving things like your miter saw or even your crosscut sled just that much more accuracy. And for just over $6 for 2 rolls of this tape, I think it's a win from Amazon haul. The next item I picked up is a knockoff from something that I purchased from Rockler a couple of months ago. Now this is what Rockler calls a pocket rule, and this thing is great for smaller measurements at things like your table saw or even on your projects. But on Amazon haul, I found essentially the same thing for 40% of the cost. Or I should say 20% of the cost, as with this item you actually get 2 of these. Now I'll be the first to admit these are a little bit harder to read than the Rockler one, however they do have all the features of it, including a 3-inch scale on either side of the ruler as well as a 2-inch scale on the very end of it. And just like with that Rockler, if we flip the ruler around you can see there's a conversion chart going from fraction to decimal to metric. And this conversion chart goes from 0 all the way up to 1 inch in 64th inch increments. And for 2 of these at 40% of the cost of the Rockler, especially if you have good eyes, it might be worth picking one of these up from Amazon haul. Next up, I picked up what looked like to be an extremely easy to read tape measure. Now in my case, I went with a metric tape measure, but they do have these available in imperial, you just have to dig a little. Now just like with my favorite tape measure that I have in my shop, my Lufkin Night Eye, this is very easy to read with its neon writing and the black background. And this tape measure is an automatic tape measure, which means that as you pull the blade out, it's going to stay in place until you press the button on the side. Another nice thing I like about this tape measure is it does have a ratcheting system, and as you pull that blade out, you can audibly hear the tape measure lock into place. And with this metric one being 5 meters or just a little over 16 feet, it's just about the perfect size for any shop. And at just over $9 with its see-through case, its ratcheting system, and its very easy to read blade, this is a great pickup from Amazon haul. But let's move on to our next category, which is accessories and other items. It's hard to find things built in the USA these days. I just bought a TV and it says on the box built-in antenna. I don't even know where that is. The first item in this category is something that I use all the time, and if you watch any of my videos you can see this item in use. These are a version of Pica pencils made by Neek Pro, and in my case I went with a carpenter set. If we take this out of the packaging and open the case, you can see this is a 2 pencil set, but it actually comes with a lot more than that. Obviously, it's going to come with the 2 pencils, one with the red casing and the other with the black casing. And just like with all these pencils, they have a long shaft that's protected with metal so that you can get into tight spots. And kind of a secret feature that all these pencils have, if you unscrew the very butt of the pencil, you'll find a pencil sharpener so that you can go to sharpen your lead. But inside the case of these pencils, there was a lot more accessories. Let's take a closer look look at those. First off, you're going to get an extra pencil sharpener just in case you lose the butt of one of those pencils. But along with that pencil sharpener, you're also going to get 4 6-packs of extra lead, in this case 2.8 millimeters, which totals up to 12 black graphites as well as 6 red and 6 yellow. And the fact that you get both of these pencils as well as all of these accessories for less than $9 makes this a great pickup on Amazon Haul. The next item I picked up is something that's perfect for your drill or maybe somebody that doesn't have an impact driver. If we take this thing out of its packaging, you'll notice that this thing has got kind of a unique design. On one side, you're going to find a hexagonal shaft that can easily be inserted into any standard drill. Once this item is locked into the drill, we can now take a look at the other side of the bit. It's this side of the item that's actually a quick release. You can insert any hexagonal bit into the tip of this thing and it will instantly lock into place, instantly converting any drill into a makeshift impact driver. And when you're ready to switch out that bit, simply pull down on the tab, and since this thing is spring-loaded, that bit removes very easily. And for just over $3.50, this is a great way to instantly convert any drill into an impact driver. Next, I thought I'd try my hand on some drill bits. Let's take a look at what I got. So this is a 16-piece set, and the nice thing about all these bits is they're titanium coated, which is just going to make them run just a little bit cooler. Now, as you may or may not have noticed, this is not a normal drill bit set, as each one of these bits has a hex shank, which can oftentimes be a little bit more difficult to find in your hardware store. And the reason that I got this set was for my Works 2-in-1. Since this drill only takes hex drill bits, this instantly increases my inventory of these bits in my shop. And since this is a 16-piece set with sizes ranging from a 1/16 of an inch all the way up to a 1/4 of an inch, I should have every size that I need. And for all of these bits for less than $10, just a great pickup for my shop. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed checking out all of these items I picked up on my last Amazon haul. My intent for this video was to show you some of the types of items that are available on this website so that you can save a little bit of money, and hopefully prevent you from having to dive into that scary carnival of a website which is called Temu. Well, I really appreciate it, and before we check out Bert's Best at the end of this video, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video. It truly does help out this woodworking channel. And if you haven't checked out my website already, go to FlynnDoggWoodwork.com, where you can get access to all sorts of fun woodworking accessories like all the t-shirts that I wear in my videos, and I've just released some new models of shirts. And if you're interested in the types of items I picked up on this Amazon haul, I'll be sure to leave links in the description below so that you can go check out Amazon haul for yourself. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel even further, check out my channel memberships where you can get early access to all my videos as well as one member video a week. Until next time, take care as always. Yes, sir. Let's get it. So my buddy Dave just drowned and I was pretty upset. So at the funeral, I bought him a wreath in the shape of a lifesaver. Everybody seemed to be pretty upset, but I'm pretty sure that's what he would have wanted. Come on. How about this one? Did you know your mouth makes the same shape as your butt when you say the word poop? Yeah, same is true when you say explosive diarrhea. Ain't that gross? All right, last try. So 2 years and 3 months ago, my wife ran away with my best bud, Mark. On another note, I've been best buddies with Mark for about 2 years and 3 months.